All right, y'all, so I got this new unit from Bobbi BUSS. I wanted to try it out. This is how it was looking straight out of the pack. I was like, I don't know, girl, you got some long baby hairs, but boom, I got her looking like this. And this is definitely a look, okay? You can't tell me she ain't no look, but we're going to go ahead and get into it because this one right here, All right, so again, this unit is from Bobbi BUSS. Now, this is a human hair blend, and the style name is MBLLF31 Eilish in the color THL4 Red Gold. The freaking bomb, okay? 5-inch deep lace part, and you can use heat on this unit, okay? So it does come with combs, an elastic band, and adjustable straps, and some long freaking baby hairs that I will be plucking all the way out, okay? I did not use any of those baby hairs. So I did pluck out all the baby hairs. I did pluck out that parting space a lot better than how it was looking when I got it. Now, it wasn't extremely tight, but it just had a lot of hair in the middle that was giving off a lot of dots, you know, and I wasn't really feeling it. So I wanted to clean it up to give it a more of a realistic look. So that's one thing I was like, I don't really know, okay? But I'm gonna tell you like this, as far as styling the unit and stuff like that, it's not really much to it. You don't gotta melt it. You don't gotta make sure the hairline blends in. You don't gotta do none of that because we ain't got no hairline. We don't got no hairline. Ain't give us no hairline. It's a simple middle part with no hairline. So all you really have to do is really focus on making sure that parting space looks good and making sure your hair is nice and flat on the top, okay? That's really the main things, right? But let me go ahead and give you the scoop on this unit real quick, though, okay? Because there's a couple things that I want you to know. So, firstly, the texture on this unit is really, really nice, y'all. It's a nice yaki texture. But look at this. The unit is a little tight, okay? The unit is a little bit tight. My sides were out. And later on in the video, you will see me put some spritz on the middle of my part just to make sure that I was going to secure this wig a little bit more. Even though I had on a wig grip, it just wasn't doing it for me. The parting space, even though I plucked it, I just wanted it to pop more. So I did go in with some concealer. I feel like concealer just allows the parting space to look so natural. But then I also will be topping it off with some powder just to make sure it sets right, okay? So that's been my go-to for the parting space as of lately. Now, I am loving the color on this unit. I think it's absolutely beautiful the way they have blended it, honey. They blended this thing like no other. Now, I didn't really get any shedding with this unit. I know I did pluck some hairs up out of here. So, I mean, I showed y'all what came up out of there. Aside from that, I ain't really had no issues with that, okay? So that's not an issue. That's not a concern for me. Now, I also want to let you know that when it comes to the texture that I just brought up, it being like nice and yaki, I noticed that there was a difference in the textures between the colors. So like on the redder part, it was more kinkier than the rest. And then the gold was like medium. And then the black here was like the silkiest, So it wasn't really consistent with the textures, but I'm not really complaining because altogether it came out really nice. Now, the tangling was at a minimum, and I think it has something to do with it being a human hair blend. I did get a little bit of tangles, but I was, plugging in the hair, messing in it, styling my hair up. So it was minimum, though, y'all. It was really minimum. It wasn't anything crazy to have me like, yo, why is it tangling up like this? Like, it was really, really good. Now, the hair has a weird texture to the touch. It kind of feels like Barbie doll hair when you touch it, but it don't really look like Barbie doll hair. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Now, I'm going to let you know right now that if you're watching this video so far, you have not subscribed. If you aren't, make sure you do that and turn on post notifications. Like and share this video as well with your homies and your homegirls, okay? Now, this is what the hair came out looking like. The hair is really pretty, really silky as far as movement goes because it does have texture. And the hair is actually pretty long, y'all. It actually has some length on the unit. I think that the only other thing that I wasn't really feeling on the unit, which y'all see in a minute, is like it has like this little bumped ends amongst the color section up on the top. And then once it gets towards the bottom of it, it just gets really straight. I'm like, where's the bump? Where's the bump, girl? But it is moving. I got a little stiff neck trying to show you a little something, but it is moving. We got some movement. Now, the hair may come off extra shiny. Okay, I am filming with my iPhone again, but the hair is actually not this shiny, y'all. Yep, you're good. Shopping at Walmart. Looking kind of good outside, right? you know, different type of lighting, natural light. It's not that bright. It's not like lights are beaming. The shine ain't too bad in here. So, you know. In my opinion, I think the luster is really, really natural. But, you know, the lights would do something different for you, okay? I ain't filming on this iPhone no more. I was testing some things out, but I don't know, girl. Either way, I think the hair is nice. I think y'all need to let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. And again, share this video with your ladies if you liked it. Later.